Oh,
Here I go.
That's perfect! You'll be
Persona.
safe there!
Show me what you've got. There'll be no mercy. I'm ready. Johanna! Get ready to ride, Johanna!
Keep it up, Queen!
all right. 1 down, 2 to go. Or 3 to go, actually. So the doors open on alternating turns.
Nice! Keep it up!
Here I go.
Hit! That'll show 'em!
Finish them off with this.
Wipe them out.
Good
Okay,
job.
We're down 1 enemy! Last enemy! Finish him off!
I am now. Wipe them out. Throw him off.
All enemies down!
Nice
Not
job.
bad, Fox!
Oh, there's more.
I'm
If we
perfectly
just
ready.
do this smartly, we can probably wreck as many of them as we possibly can.
Fall now.
That's a hit! Great job,
Here
Inari!
I go. You'll get no mercy. This won't miss.
Nice going,
Okay.
Queen!
Now we just get her up here.
All right.
And you're done.
Irina took out an enemy! A skillful attack! Let's go!
Hmm.
Nice one, Inari! I commend your
Follow you
skill!
out.
Fox's shots have landed! Impressive!
All right. This'll wipe you away.
We'll take
Of
that.
course.
Then we'll go over here and we'll triple threat them.
You'll get no mercy. You'll
Okay.
fall here.
Finish off what we left off.
Enemy eliminated! That's how you do it!
Oh my god, there's so many. There's so many doors.
Here I
Let's
go.
teach them that thieves are stronger than this!
Wipe them out.
Let us begin!
That's really annoying.
All right.
Time to raise the curtain. Throw him on.
What?
Here I go.
Excellent position, Irina!
Preparing.
Okay, now we wait for an enemy to fall for your plan.
Come on and get us.
First.
Ah! Ah!
Only 1 enemy left! Just a little more!
All right.
You're doing great!
Okay.
Here I go. I'll give it my all. Turn spirit into strength. You'll get no mercy.
Attack success!
There we go.
As elegant as a true queen! Let us begin. This ends now.
Hmm.
Right there.
Nice one, Irina!
Here I
Shots
go.
fired!
Wait, really? Was that the
That's
right
perfect.
one?
You'll be safe there!
Wipe them out.
That's a hit! Nice going, Queen!
Nothing but
Nice.
a stain upon my sword.
All enemies down! Not bad,
Nice.
boss!
Last one. And done.
Heck yeah.
All right, I think we got them all.
How's it going over there, Oracle?
We've released all the people who were captured. Now get out of there!
Looks like it's all going according to plan. Let's retreat for now.
Whew, we should be safe now, right? I wonder if Toshiro and the others are okay.
All that mayhem should have given them the opportunity to slip out, but still.
Hey!
Is everyone safe?
All right,
You
everybody's
guys
free.
really made a scene back there.
Everything went swimmingly on our end, thanks to you. We freed all the imprisoned people and returned them to their families.
We took out the enemy base, too. That should do us some good. Great job on that, Toshiro. Your Operation Smack Crackle Pinch was a huge success.
I forgot the real name already, but that wasn't it, right?
Something wrong?
What's the deal, Toshiro? You cramping up already? Your plan worked without a hitch, didn't it? So why not take the win already?
Right.
Oh, that's right. I almost forgot. I set up one last surprise for everyone. Let me just give this a play here, and...
Huh? Something's on the monitor.
You totally.
It's a message from Lord
Oh
Yoshiki.
my god.
Hope the people are ready for this bombshell special.
Lord Yoshiki, fraud of love. I can't move anymore. Please, just a sip of water. No stopping, you lazy bastards! You've got a ways to go to re-earn Lord Yoshiki's love!
Reveal the cruelty.
I'm begging you. Have mercy. Shut your trap and keep moving, you ungrateful wretch! You dare disrespect Lord Yoshiki! This isn't what they said I'd be doing. I thought this was for love.
Little guys.
What is this?
Why are they doing that?
It's a veritable portrait of hell. So this is the truth of his so-called love.
When we snuck into the control room, I hacked into their system and nabbed some footage. Granted, it was all Queen's brilliant idea.
I was only hoping to uncover the truth. This is even worse than I expected.
No way. This can't be true. I mean, Lord Yoshiki wouldn't... He said our families were doing well.
He lied.
I believed that as long as my family was safe, I could endure anything the Eisen Squad did to me, but... what am I supposed to believe now?
And to think this is going on somewhere in Yoshiki's castle, too. We have to stop this!
I see you.
Up there! Whoa, he's coming for us!
Everyone, your days of loveless behavior will end here and now.
A giant Buddha came down from the sky?
Ha! It's way too freaking late to show up now, you creep!
Ho, ho, ho. Such blatant disrespect. But you're forgiven. After all, thanks to this, I was finally able to find who I'm looking for.
Found someone? Who are you talking about?
Who is it, you ask? Oh, ho, 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 ho. That would be... Toshiro! Who the hell else could it possibly be?
Too many hands. It's too wiggly.
Damn ungrateful, good-for-nothing son of mine!
Oh my god, it's your father?
What? Did you just... Oh dear, didn't you? I was talking right to you. Toshiro Kasukabe. Are you listening, my foolish, beloved son?
Me?
father's
So you
Yoshiki?
remember me now?
Oh my god, your father owns a surveillance state?
Own father's face. Apologize, you hopeless moron!
I mean, you do hide it behind a
Reproach
false
yourself.
veneer.
Beg my
Wait, isn't veneer
forgiveness.
the same thing? No.
Is what
No,
I'd
that's not
like
right.
to say, but we'll let that slide for now. However, I'll never forgive you for taking off with that. Prepare to pay the price, you undutiful, pitiful excuse of a son!
What are you?
There were definitely some interesting tidbits in that speech, but overall...
Is he emotionally unstable or what? Like a teenager at the peak of puberty, am I right?
That hidden face of rage.
Does his mom own a
Yoshiki's
cotton
true
plantation? I hope
I
not.
don't know what you're talking about. Really, I have no idea.
You need not feign ignorance, my boy. I know fully well that you're not the kind of person who would defy his father.
I'm sensing that a lot of people close to
Made
Toshiro
way after all.
failed him as he was growing up.
Have you?
That's not.
And
Toshiro!
his spinelessness is just
Hurry
and
up
helplessness,
and hand it
honestly.
over. Unless you fill your lungs in the depths of my watery grave of love.
I come with a report for Lord Yoshiki.
Does that even qualify
The
as
hell
well?
you want, scum?
We've recovered control of the monitor that was hijacked by an unknown perpetrator.
I don't give a damn about that. You want me to drown you too, huh?
But there isn't much time left until the scheduled
better not get to
broadcast of
colonial
I Love Haiku
America.
with Lord Yoshiki.
I don't think we will.
Now that just won't. Everyone is waiting for my work of love. I must return immediately to begin the broadcast. Ugh, reluctant as I am, I must take my leave.
What is up with that little heart thing he's doing?
How hot-headed you are. You lack love, my son. A rich, boundless love is what you need. You'll have to excuse me, but my patriots of love shall tend to you now.
Wait!
Toshiro-san! Toshiro-san, stay with us!
It's you! I see. Here I was wondering how they were so well prepared. So you've been helping them. I don't know what kind of schemes you concocted, but evidently you have yet to realize its futility. Surely you must know that my people will never betray the love of their Lord Yoshiki. The citizenry seek my love from the very marrow of their bones, and I am gracious enough to pour it upon them. Well then, everyone present, I bid you good day! Oh!
What a weirdo.
And there he goes. Jeez, what is up with that guy?
Here they come. Get in formation, everyone!
Now,
Here come the trash mobs. Let's take them out.
Up we go? Morgana, you got
I'll
this?
take care of this. Think you can evade this?
Attack landed. Way to go, Joker.
Can I hit you? I can't.
This is gonna
Good hit,
hurt.
Mona. Now do it again.
all right.
Whip them into shape! Persona! Stand, Carnage! Whip them into shape! Time to get serious! Carnage!
Get wrecked.
You little...
All right, cool.
To battle! Take this, good one! Bad for you!
You suck.
All right.
I'll show no mercy. Get ready.
Nice position, Mona! Get ready for this! You got a hit, Mona! Now do it again!
What to do here? You're done!
Joker took out an enemy! All right!
You're in the way.
That's a hit! Knew you could
All
do
right.
it, Panther! Nice cover!
Get wrecked.
Cool as always, Joker! You got him! Behold the proof of my determination! Sonic defeated an enemy! Everyone, follow his lead! Great positioning, Joker!
Fire!
Joker's hit the mark!
I'll show no mercy. Come on.
Right on target! That's how you do it, Panther! Persona! Nice move, Panther! A stylish infiltration! Dance, Carnage!
You safe?
Brilliant decision.
Dad, can you get through this? The fort's on the way!
My turn. Get ready. Leave it to me.
No.
Squeal like a pig!
It's over!
Doing well, Panther!
Get ready. Leave it to me.
Now's the time! Or set!
Yes. Driven to despair.
You have no money!
Really?
Prepare yourself! Joker's down!
I mean, okay.
You have no money! The knock's down!
All right, Futaba, you can stop freaking out.
Be quiet!
All right,
That's how you do it!
we're done.
Damn it. We managed to take them out, but more reinforcements could show up at any moment. We should retreat immediately. Yeah, Queen's right. Let's retreat, Joker. We'll
I
regroup at the
wiped
hideout.
him off the building. That's right. Just like, whipped him off the building.